Fire destroys shops at Constant Spring Arcade. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Fire of unknown origin on Monday completely destroyed two businesses in the Constant Spring Arcade in St. Andrews. Reports are that at around 9 a.m. fire was seen coming from
I'm telling there's an emergency at Constant Spring Arcade there.
In a restaurant.
It a burn. Fire up in the middle of the arcade.
Eyewitnesses reportedly seen thick smoke and flames consuming the affected establishments as firefighters worked tirelessly to bring it under control. The Jamaica Fire Brigade has launched an investigation into the cause of the fire, but as of now the origin of the fire is unknown. Deputy Superintendent Andrew Campbell, speaking on the behalf of the brigade, said that they are working tirelessly to gather information to determine the cause of the fire. The priority is ensuring safety and providing clarity to the affected business owners.
We would have received a call 8:05 a.m. this morning, and immediately we would have dispatched Offer 3, Stony Hill, and 2 units from York Park. Based on the number of calls that we received and the severity of the arcade, we responded 4 units. On arrival, the fire was confined to 3 shops, used as snack centers. Fighting the fire, 2 of them would have completely destroyed and 1 partially destroyed. We have no information pertaining to that, and our investigator will come a shorter time from now to carry out their investigation, and we will rely on their information. The KSAMC own the arcade, but it's occupied by 3 persons.
Links 007 TV will track this story and have more details to comment this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.